5,000 years ago, atop the desolate expanse of Banquan in ancient China, smoke filled the air, thunder rumbled, and the cries of birds and beasts echoed across the land. Two massive armies faced off, led by the ancient Chinese leaders Flame Emperor and Yellow Emperor. Among the ranks of the Yellow Emperor's forces charged the Panda Legion. In the end, the Yellow Emperor triumphed over the Flame Emperor, and their two tribes formed an alliance, becoming the ancestors of the Chinese people. Later, their tribal alliance clashed with Chiyou's tribal group in the Battle of Zhuolu. During this epic confrontation, Chiyou rode a mount known as the Iron-Eating Beast. This legendary creature was none other than the giant panda. Welcome to Curious Guava. In this episode, we will dive into the legends surrounding the giant panda's role in battles, as well as its intriguing iron-eating tendencies. But was the giant panda truly a formidable force on the ancient Chinese battlefield? The ancient era is void of written records, so the actual events have been preserved through oral tradition. Jumping forward 2,500 years, the Chinese historian Sima Qian detailed this battle in records of the Grand Historian, writing, Yellow Emperor commanded bears, pandas, and tigers to battle Flame Emperor at Banquan's wilds. Today, many scholars dismiss the idea of using animal armies in ancient warfare. Instead, they propose that the ferocious creatures mentioned in historical texts might have been represented as totems on the warring tribes' banners. However, recent research reveals striking differences in ancient giant pandas. Through sequencing the nuclear genome of a 5,000-year-old giant panda bone, researchers uncovered significant genetic disparities between the extinct panda and its modern counterparts. They speculate that the ancient panda might have belonged to a distinct subspecies. This discovery also suggests that the genetic diversity of ancient panda populations could have surpassed that of present-day pandas. Additionally, studies suggest that ancient pandas likely possessed a more varied diet beyond the bamboo and could have adapted to different habitats, unlike the cool forests that modern pandas inhabit. Could there have been a subspecies of giant panda excelling on the battlefield? Could these creatures have been domesticated as mounts? These questions remain unanswered. What's your perspective? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let's explore the origin of the term iron-eating beast and the reality of pandas consuming iron. In ancient times, giant pandas roamed extensive territories, coexisting with humans. They frequently visited human settlements in search of food, licking cooking utensils, and even damaging cookware with their powerful teeth. This behavior left an impression of them being iron eaters. In contemporary times, there have been reports of pandas ingesting iron in the media. In 1981, a 7-year-old female panda named Nini from Sichuan's Wolong Nature Reserve shattered an iron-feeding basin into pieces during a meal, consuming the fragments one by one. This incident puzzled keepers, but later, iron shards were discovered in Nini's feces. Remarkably, her digestive system remained unharmed. In April 1984, a white panda unexpectedly entered a villager's home in Sichuan. It ventured into the kitchen, nibbling on pot lids and gnawing aluminum pots. Why do pandas eat iron? Some scientists speculate it could be due to a need for specific micronutrients, such as iron. Others suggest pandas might seek salt, which could explain their tendency to lick residual salt from human cookware. Within the intricate tapestry of ancient history and nature's enigmas, the giant panda emerges as both a fierce symbol and a mystery. Its legacy, woven through time, speaks to the harmonious coexistence between humanity and the wild. In this delicate balance, the panda story continues. And that concludes today's episode. What are your thoughts on the iron-eating beast? Share your opinions below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more captivating stories like this. Thank you for tuning in. Stay curious.